Step into the 2003 Lincoln LS Ultra. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include rear defrost, climate control, 4-wheel disc brakes, variable speed intermittent wipers, front reading lamps, driver vanity mirror, power mirror, and fog lamps. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.